Hey lovelies, happy new year and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you made it into 2026 and I hope this year will be an amazing year for you. So in the new year, I had a few family and friends over and I made this amazing dish for them. This is Asun. So Asun is spicy goat meat made with pepper sauce and some of this medley of green pepper and spring onion and red onions. So let me show you how I did that. So I got my goat's meat cubes and I cut them into bite-sized pieces because I actually used it as a starter dish when I hosted family and friends. So I wanted to make it very small, very bite-sized, make the serving and eating very easy. I seasoned it with ginger, garlic, some herbs, my curry, and my meat spices, and just give it a quick stir around to make sure every piece of meat is coated in that seasoning. And then I'm going to boil the meat until it's tender. First of all, I'm going to just let it stew in its own liquid before I add more liquid. When that is done, I'm going to then fry my goat meat. You can opt to do this in an air fryer. You can also choose to do it in your oven, but I just want to deep fry my meat. And you just put that in a hot oil, spread it all around to make sure each meat is submerged in the oil and leave it for some time until it browns evenly. Now, while we're waiting for the meat to fry properly, I want you to go ahead and like this video. I want you to drop me a comment if you've ever had a son. Do you like it? What do you love about a son? And also tell me how your Christmas and New Year holiday went. Did you make any New Year resolution? Do you believe in them? What was your New Year resolution? Tell me in the comment section. Let's use it to motivate each other. So when my meat is done, I'll just put it on a paper towel so that I can drain all the excess oil. The next thing I'm going to do now is to fry my pepper mix. My pepper mix is a combination of red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, and onion. You want that to have a flavor of its own before you start frying. But the first thing I'm going to do is to reduce the amount of oil you're seeing in this pan. So I'm just going to use less oil for the frying of the pepper mix. So in goes my pepper mix. Look at the color of that pepper mix and it is just so lovely. I'm going to let it fry and get dry until all the water has evaporated from it. If this is your first time of watching my video, thank you for engaging. I want you to hit the subscribe button. I drop weekly videos from cooking recipe to lifestyle videos and also inspirational videos, just videos that can help you in life and also in your home and family. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you for once again engaging. Thank you for supporting me in 2025. We are going to have an even better year in 2026. The goal for 2026 is to hit that monetization milestone. And with your support, we can do that. So go ahead, like my video and comment. So now that the tomato is dry, we're going to add in our onion and then going with our goat's meat, the fried goat's meat. This at this point you want to turn down your heat because everything is already well cooked. You can also taste it for seasoning. If you want to add extra seasoning, that's also okay. But my tomato sauce and the meat was well seasoned, so I didn't have need for that. So I'm just going to stir it thoroughly to combine, and then I will go in with my pepper. I love the color and the flavor the green pepper adds to this dish. The contrast of color is just so amazing. Your guests will love it. This was gone immediately. I set it out for my guests, like it was gone just like that. And I wish I made a bigger quantity because everyone loved this so much. So I've gone in with my spring onion and I'm going to just combine that, make sure it's thoroughly combined. And look at that, This is a very savory dish. You can make it as spicy as you want. Mine wasn't that spicy because I had kids coming over, so I wanted them to participate in the eating of the asun, so I didn't want it to be too spicy. But there you have it. It's an easy dish to make. It's a crowd pleaser. It's a delicious savory starter, something to just kick off the party and get that party rolling. And this is how we start up the new year with a bang. Like I said, this new year is going to be amazing. And now all you have to do is plate your asun. You can just pour it into a big bowl like I did, and then you add toothpick or you add a skewer to it, like a short skewer to it, so that people can just pick it one at a time. You can also portion it out in tiny plates. But for me, it was just close family and friends, so I put it in this big place, set it out, and people were just picking it with the toothpick that I placed in it. And it was just such a delicious, hearty meal to kickstart the New Year festivities with. I hope you had a brilliant holiday and I pray your year will be better. This new year will be better than the last year. I hope you hit all your goals and you keep the momentum and the motivation going to meet all your goals and meet all your targets in this new year. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.